Now that we're in another planting season, I want to make sure I tell you that you have to still maintain your flower beds, because you can see this one is pretty much, I want to say, destroyed. But you're going to have to get it back in shape. So you want to go ahead and make sure you take out all the weeds, you fix the frame back in order, and you remove any plants here from the last harvest that you haven't moved out. So you take those out too. So you got to make sure that your flower beds are in shape and ready to go for the season. All right, so once we've cleaned out the flower bed, we take up all the weeds, removed all the old plants, you're going to want to go ahead and turn the soil. So you're going to use your trusty hoe and you're going to dig up the ground. Just dig it up. Once you've dug up all the ground, of course, from digging up the ground, you're going to go ahead and use your trusty hoe rake, here to turn the soil. Once you've done that, you can put down some fertilizer, you can put down some compost, and your flower bed is ready for planting.